At Cera, we strive for the finest designs, technological advancement and innovation. Cera's new rimless water closets are at the very forefront of global technology and manufacturing excellence. Because there is no rim, there are no more angles, nooks or crannies where dirt could build up. This makes it much easier to clean. A strong flush spreads the water in a constant manner around the inner bowl. The design allows the water to reach higher and clean the entire bowl and also prevents water splashing. The super efficient flush also means water saving. Fully sealed design. Duroplast slim soft close seat cover. A range of stunning designs. These are the new Cera water closets, an advanced rimless design for ultimate hygiene. Cera.